Hi, I am Dr. Pramod Krishnappa, consultant uro-andrologist. On the occasion of International Men's Health Day, I am here to give a few healthcare tips about penis and the testis care. Coming to the penis, the most common issue that we see in the outpatient department is the hygiene issue. So many men do not retract the foreskin, because of which a lot of dirt gets accumulated, and over a period of time this can lead to infection, and this infection can even be transmitted to the partner or wife or to the girlfriend. So most important is a man has to retract the foreskin on a daily basis while taking bath. Clean it with a regular water that you take to have bath. You need not compulsorily apply any soap, because for some the soap may act as an irritant. So just clean with a regular water and then pull the skin back to the normal position. So if somebody doesn't do this on a daily basis, like I said, number one, infection can happen and leading to this infection being transmitted to the partner, or sometimes repeated infections can lead to tightening of the foreskin, which is called phimosis, or something called as a recurrent prostatitis, which is infection of the prepuce, maybe requiring a circumcision in the future. I know all men may not be able to retract the foreskin, so if you feel that if your foreskin is very tight, it's time that you should consult a urologist or an andrologist to seek care to get it sorted out. There are men, because they don't retract the foreskin, the glands is so hypersensitive. This can even lead to some sexual health problems like early ejaculation. Some of them, because it is so sensitive that sometimes the foreskin is also tight, and this can lead to pain during the intercourse, which again can lead to situational erectile dysfunction. So this can even lead to sexual health issues. So do not neglect. You need to take care of the foreskin. So now moving on to the testis. So the two most important functions of the testis are, number one, sperm production, which is important for reproduction or fertility. Number two is the testosterone hormone production. So testosterone is not just for sexual health. There are so many important functions of the testosterone. Number one, it is important for fertility, for sexual health, for the muscle mass, for the bone strength, and for the mental function. There are so many other aspects, but these are the most common important functions of testosterone. So testosterones have to be at the normal range for all these things to be in place. So what we advise is testicular self-examination is something very important. The reason is the testis cancer is presence in a young age group. It doesn't occur in 50-60-year-olds. It occurs in 20 to 30-year-olds. So one should always self-examine the testis. I'm not saying that you should do it on a daily basis. Maybe at least once a week or once in 2 weeks when you're having bath. Just feel your testis how it is. If you feel any new bumps or any new pain, then you need to consult the doctor for further evaluation. Two important functions. Number one is sperm production and testosterone hormone. So testosterone hormone estimation is only done based on a blood test, and the health of the sperms can be estimated by doing a semen analysis. So if you are concerned about your testis health, you need to get these two things evaluated. So that's my tip for this year's International Men's Health Day.